Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Last time I did the third video from my Mercedes-Benz series of videos, and as I told you and promised you, I'm gonna have a bonus extra video, and you should know by now that if I promise, I'll deliver. So here we go. I got the bonus video, and we got over here the new Mercedes-Benz SL 500. The Mercedes-Benz SL series have been amazing ever since the first 300 SL and 300 SL Roadster back in the days, and now this last generation is just amazing. So now, without wasting any more time, let me take this amazing SL out of the box so you guys can check it out. The color, the wheels, and the front end are made very well. On the side, it looks great. The opening parts are the doors. Okay guys, so this is gonna be the end of the bonus video with the Mercedes-Benz SL. I hope you liked it. The car is really nice. If you haven't subscribed, please do so you don't miss more cool videos. Also, if you're looking to buy this Mercedes, please check the link in the description below. As always, thanks for watching. Bye.